Hey kids, it's TV's Baron von Brunk, and I'm here today to show you how to build a custom LEGO minifigure of everybody's favorite successful Silicon Valley CEO and positive female role model, Susan Waluigi. Check out the links in the description below for the exact parts list, as well as a LEGO digital design file. And now, let's begin! Start with an ordinary LEGO minifigure woman's body. Although I use the term woman in a very loose sense. Next, it's time to build the LEGO horse head. Using the following pieces, let's begin. So while I'm building this, let me tell you a crazy story about a truly mad lad who went to my former middle school. This happened at my middle school the year before I started. My older sister was a student there at the time, so she told me all about the chaos itself. I personally witnessed the fallout and the aftermath. Anyway, there was an ongoing vandalism spree where someone or something was breaking into the school late at night and destroying everything they could find. Computers, windows, you name it. They threw computer monitors out windows, they smeared ketchup and mayonnaise all over TVs, they tore up books, they smashed most of the windows, and supposedly they broke enough glass to fill up a whole truck. This went on for a few weeks and nobody was caught. This happened around 1996 when CCTV cameras could only record videotapes in standard definition potato quality, so they couldn't identify the suspects initially. Also, this was kind of an old building that didn't have a security system. And then one day I'm sitting in class in 6th grade at my elementary school. My teacher was this overweight middle-aged Italian woman with anger management issues. The best way to describe her as a person? Picture the Queen of Hearts from Disney's Alice in Wonderland, but as a real woman. Anyway, at the end of the day, her classroom phone rang. She picked it up and said, "Yes? Yes? My son?" And she turned bright red, slammed the phone down, and bolted the hell out of the classroom. We didn't see her again for like 2 whole weeks, and no one told us what the phone call was all about. So we had a substitute teacher during that time. Shortly after that, I read the newspaper and learned that they actually caught the 2 culprits of the vandalism spree. They couldn't use names or photos because they were minors. But they did reveal that one of the perpetrators was the son of a 6th grade science teacher at the elementary school. Well, there you go, kids. Now you've got your very own custom LEGO minifigure of Susan Waluigi with her horse head. Now you're probably thinking,
"But Mom, Baron, I'm just some poor pleb. I don't have a fancy job like you. I can't afford to purchase 27 LEGO pieces."
I don't even have money in my wallet. Yes, I do. I have $7 because you took all this and you fucking pocketed it. This is the only fucking shit you people care about.
Don't worry, little Jimmy. I understand that you probably don't have a job and that your parents won't let you mooch any more money off of them because you've pissed away all of your allowance money in microtransactions playing Fork Knife. Therefore, you can easily make a cheap substitution. Observe! All you gotta do is obtain an ordinary yellow LEGO horse head, and there you go. Is that still too difficult? No problem, I've got an easier solution. Just grab an ordinary LEGO horse and put a wig on it. Wow! It's so simple, even a YouTube employee could do it.
From Baron Julius von Brunk, Justice for Mumkey Jones.